In the Okavango, the lioness is settling back in with her pride. With rival lions all around, her cubs are safest under Dad's protection. Until now, they've only eaten with Mom. Today, the cubs are dining with the king. He's much bigger up close. Males take their fill before they let the females feed. They're more tolerant of cubs. Up to a point. The lionesses do most of the parenting, and with Dad taking the lion's share, they need to head out hunting again. Prides can be over 40 strong, so maintaining relationships isn't easy. Complicated social lives have led lions to be the cleverest of all big cats. And that extra brain power also makes for one killer team. During the hunt, each lioness knows her role. The heaviest find a place to wait. Lighter, faster wingers encircle the herd. The trap is set. The wingers charge in at 30 miles an hour. If one misses, there's someone else waiting. During the day, when the pride hunts as a team, they double their chances of success. Everyone gets a share. This is a sisterhood of equals. The pride is stronger together. But once again, Dad muscles in. It seems unfair, but it's critical for the pride males to stay fighting fit. The threat of invasion is coming closer. Roaming males looking to take over the pride and kill the cubs. To protect his family, Dad needs all the strength he can get.